So first you're going to need your chinkin to lay down and put your head back a little bit towards the camera. You're also going to cover up like the nose or any part of that in case that's viewable. And then you're going to decorate their chin because that's technically going to be their forehead in the video. Eyeballs, maybe a hat. And there's also a script that we're going to follow. You don't have to have a script. And because I can see her shirt, I'm going to cover up her shirt so that doesn't look like she's wearing a shirt. And now I'm going to start recording. And then you stop the video. Done. Knock, knock.
What?
No, you're supposed to say, who's there? Knock, knock.
I didn't know that.
Okay, now you do, so you say, who's there? Let's try it again. Knock, knock.
Why?
Ugh, it's a joke. It's funny. Knock, knock. Wait, what are you doing?
Smiling? You said it was funny.
It's not funny yet. You have to say, who's there? Knock, knock.
To get to the other side of the road.
Not that joke. You're really not getting this.
Do you see the size of my head? My brain is the size of a grape.
Wait, what are you doing now?
Can you do this?
Can I do what?
Can you lick your eyeball?
Gross, no why.
'Cause that's funny.